Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Pre-Learning. Today we are going to learn about basic conversion and we will solve the sum based on addition, subtraction. We will solve the sum converting into hours, converting into minutes, converting into seconds and many more sums related to the conversion. So these are the topics which are written on the screen. We will solve the sum based on that. So let us start the video and learn about how to convert hours into minutes, minutes into seconds, or we can say years into months or days into hours. Now, पहले हम पढ़ेंगे कन्वर्जन. थोड़ा हम बेसिक जान लेते हैं कि क्या होता है. ओके, आवर्स को हम एच भी लिख सकते हैं शॉर्ट फॉर्म में. मिनट्स उसको हम MIN शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं मिनट्स. और सेकेंड्स को हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. सो इफ यू वांट टू कन्वर्ट hours into minutes, you have to multiply with 60, and if you want to convert minutes into seconds, you have to multiply again with 60. Okay, that means 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Okay, same way, if you want to convert years into months, you have to multiply by 12. That is 1 year is equals to 12 months. Okay, same way, days. If you want to convert days into hours, you have to multiply into 24. Why? Because 1 day is equals to 24 hours. एक दिन में 24 घंटे होते हैं. Okay, so this is the basic information about the conversion, and based on this we will solve the sum. So let us start our sum based on this topic. Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Pre-Learning. Today we are going to learn mathematics. In mathematics we are going to learn times. Now here I have written some questions related to times. Let us solve it. 3 hours 15 minutes. मिनट्स के नीचे हम मिनट्स लिखेंगे एंड आवर्स के नीचे हम आवर्स लिखेंगे. ऐड. सो इफ वी ऐड, सो 5 + 5 10, 3 4. आवर्स के नीचे आवर्स, इट इज. सो व्हाट इज योर आंसर? 7 hours 40 minutes. Okay, same goes over here. हम hours के नीचे hours लिखेंगे एंड मिनट्स के नीचे हम मिनट्स लिखेंगे. एंड दिस सम इज अबाउट एडिशन. Hours. 5 + 6 11. So what is your final answer? 11 hours 50 minutes. Our third question is 8 hours 12 minutes plus 9 hours 18 minutes. सो मिनट्स के नीचे हम मिनट्स लिखेंगे एंड आवर्स के नीचे हम आवर्स. इट्स 30 So what is your answer over here? 17 hour 30 minutes. So this is about addition. So हमने अभी क्या किया है, आवर्स और मिनट्स के एडिशंस किए हैं. Now let us move to our next sum. So this is our fourth sum. Again हम आवर्स के नीचे आवर्स लिखेंगे एंड मिनट्स के नीचे मिनट्स. The sum is about addition. Okay, now over here if you look, it is 8 hours 100 minutes. But you know that in 1 hour we have 60 minutes and it is extending more than 60. So what you have to do? You have to subtract your 100 minutes with 60. So what is the answer? 40 minutes. Because 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. That means इस 100 minutes के अंदर हमारा 1 hour भी है, that is 60 minutes. Now instead of writing 8 hours, we will add a 1 hour and we will write 9 hours 40 minutes. Okay, so let us do more sum related to this. Okay, let us solve this sum. 8 hours 30 minutes. This sum is based on addition. हम hours के नीचे hours लिखेंगे, minutes के नीचे हम minutes लिखेंगे. Okay, so if you add 0 plus 5, 5, 3 plus 4, 7. Again hours के नीचे hours. 8 plus 5, 13. Again, now this is crossing your 60 minutes. You know 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So this is more than 60. So you have to subtract this 75 with 60. So what is your answer? 5 minus 0, 5. 7 minus 6, 1. So it is what? 15 minutes. Now, instead of writing 30 hours, we will write 14 hours 15 minutes. Because in this 75 minutes, our 1 hour is included. Your 60 minute is included. So we have removed our 60 minutes over here. So now instead of 13 hours, we will write 14 hours. Let us try another sum based on this. Plus 9 hours 84 minutes. Let us solve this example. Again, हम hours के नीचे hours लिखेंगे and minutes के नीचे minutes. This sum is based on addition. So 2 plus 4, 6. 1 plus 8, 9, hours के नीचे hours, 7 plus 9, 16. Again, this is crossing your 60 minutes. And we know 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Therefore, we have to subtract 96 minutes from 60. Okay? So 6 minus 0, 6. 9 minus 6, 3. So, instead of writing 16 hours, we will write 17 hour 36 minutes. Is it easy? Yes? So let us move forward. Seventh sum. 14 hour 36 minutes plus 8 hour 64 minutes. So again, hours के नीचे हम hours लिखेंगे and minutes के नीचे हम minutes लिखेंगे. This sum is based on addition. 6 plus 4, 10. Now say 3 plus 6, 9 plus 1, 10. Hours के नीचे hours. 4 plus 8, 12. 1 over here. 2, it's 22. So now again this is crossing 60 minutes. Again this is crossing 60 minutes. So 1 hour is equals to 60. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So you have to subtract 100 minus 60, which will give you how many minutes? 40 minutes. So now instead of writing 22 hours, you will write 23 hours 40 minutes. Okay? Yes? Let us do next sum. 9 hours 20 minutes plus 3 hours 70 minutes. Okay? Yes? Again, 9 hours 20 minutes. Hours के नीचे हम hours लिखेंगे. Hours के नीचे हम hours लिखेंगे. And minutes के नीचे हम minutes लिखेंगे. Plus 2 plus 7, 9. कितना आवर हुआ? इधर 12. Now again this is crossing your 60 minutes. So 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So subtract 90 with 60, which will give you 30 minutes. So again, instead of writing 12 hours, you will write over here 13 hour 30 minutes. आई होप आज का लेक्चर आपको अच्छे से समझ में आया होगा कि हाउ टू ऐड आवर्स एंड मिनट्स. डू लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Stay connected, keep learning and keep growing. Thank you. हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल प्री लर्निंग। जैसा कि हमने पहले वीडियो में एडिशन किया था, ये वीडियो में हम सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे। सब्ट्रैक्शन को हम डिफरेंस भी कहते हैं। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट आवर वीडियो नाउ। फर्स्ट सम, 9 hours 50 minutes, 7 hours 35 minutes। सो हम hours के सो हम आवर्स के नीचे आवर्स लिखेंगे एंड मिनट्स के नीचे मिनट्स लिखेंगे। डिफरेंस मतलब माइनस। So the answer is 2 hours 15 minutes। अगेन हम आवर्स के नीचे आवर्स लिखेंगे एंड मिनट्स के नीचे मिनट्स लिखेंगे। माइनस, कैरी फॉरवर्ड। So 10 minus 5, 5. 2 minus 1, 1. 11 minus 7, 4. So what is the answer? 4 hours 15 minutes। Okay? So again हम आवर्स के नीचे आवर्स लिखेंगे एंड मिनट्स के नीचे मिनट्स लिखेंगे। नाउ अभी यहाँ पे देखिए, 8 minus 55 हो नहीं सकता। सो हमें इसको करना पड़ेगा 7। बट इंस्टेड ऑफ टेकिंग ओवर ये 1, हमें इधर लेना पड़ेगा 60 मिनट्स। क्यों? बिकॉज 1 hour इज इक्वल्स टू 60 मिनट्स। सो हमें ऐड करना पड़ेगा 60 मिनट्स। तो यहाँ पे पहले हमें इसे एडिशन करना पड़ेगा। तो हमारा क्या बनेगा? न्यू क्वेश्चन, 7 hours 68 मिनट्स और इधर 6 hour 55 मिनट्स। नाउ माइनस, अभी हम इसे माइनस कर सकते हैं। सो 8 minus 5, 3. 6 minus 5, 1. 7 minus 6, 1. सो हमारा आंसर क्या आया? 1 hour 30 minutes। एक और सम देखते हैं बेस्ड ऑन दिस। चलो, 5 hours 30 minutes minus 1 hour 45 minutes। अगेन आवर्स के नीचे हम आवर्स लिखेंगे एंड मिनट्स के नीचे हम मिनट्स लिखेंगे। अगेन हम 30 में से 45 माइनस नहीं कर सकते। सो ये बन जाएगा हमारा 4 hours और यहाँ पे हम कैरी करेंगे प्लस 60 मिनट्स। क्यों? बिकॉज 1 hour इज इक्वल्स टू 60 मिनट्स। तो अभी हम पहले अपने ये न्यू मिनट्स को ऐड करेंगे। सो हमारा क्वेश्चन बनेगा 4 hours 90 मिनट्स माइनस, डिफरेंस मतलब क्या होता है? माइनस। सो 8, ये हो जाएगा अपना 5, 4। सो हमारा आंसर क्या आया? 3 hours 45 minutes. Now 5 hours 10 minutes minus 3 hours 40 minutes. अगेन आवर्स के नीचे हम आवर्स लिखेंगे और मिनट्स के नीचे हम मिनट्स लिखेंगे. द सम इज बेस्ड ऑन डिफरेंस. डिफरेंस मतलब माइनस. अगेन 10 में से 40 माइनस नहीं हो सकता, सो दिस विल बिकम 4 और हम कैरी करेंगे प्लस 60 मिनट्स. क्यों? क्योंकि 1 आवर इज इक्वल्स टू 60 मिनट्स. सो हम अपना न्यू मिनट्स पहले ऐड करेंगे. सो द आंसर विल बी, द न्यू क्वेश्चन विल बी 4 hours 70 minutes minus 3 hours 40 minutes. So 70 में से 40 क्या तो क्या बचेगा? कितना बचेगा? 30. And over here 1 hour. So our answer will be 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay? Yes. चलो एक लास्ट सम करते हैं. 7th sum. 2 hours 20 minutes minus 1 hour 5 minutes. So 2 hours 20 minutes. So hours के नीचे hours लिखेंगे, मिनट्स के नीचे मिनट्स. तो यहाँ पे हम इजीली सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं, तो हमें यहाँ पे कैरी फॉरवर्ड करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. सो 20 में से 5 गया तो क्या बचेगा? 15. यस. एंड 2 में से 1 गए तो 1. सो आंसर विल बी इज 1 hour 15 minutes. सो आई होप आज का लेक्चर आपको बहुत अच्छे से समझा होगा. डू लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल एंड थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Pre-Learning. So now we will learn the sum how to convert into hours. So let us start our sum. 6 days. So we know that in one day we have 24 hours. So 6 day is equals to 6 multiplied by 24, which will give you 144 hours. So 6 day में, so in 6 day how many hours we have? 144 hours. Second, 9 days. So in one day we have 24 hours. So in 9 days we have to do 9 multiplied by 24, which will give you 216 hours. Therefore in 9 days how many hours we have? Total hours is 216 hours. Okay. Third sum. 5 days. Again In one day we have 24 hours. So in 5 days, how many hours we have? 5 multiplied by 24, which will give you 120 hours. So therefore 5 days is equals to how many hours? 120 hours. Fourth sum. 7 days, 5 hours. So first convert your days into hours. We know that one day has 24 hours. So therefore 7 days is equals to 7 multiplied by 24, which will give you 168 hours. So now you will add your both the hours, because we have to convert our days into hours. So हम दोनों hours को क्या करेंगे? ऐड करेंगे. So our total hours will be 173. So your answer is 7 days, 5 hours is equals to 173 hours. Fifth sum. 12 days, 6 hours. So first convert your days into hours. One day is equals to 24 hours. So 12 days is equals to 12 multiplied by 24, which will give you 288 hours. So now you will add your this and this hours. So total hours will be 12 days, 6 hours means 294 hours. 5 days, 2 hours. So first convert your days into hours. So one day is equals to 24 hours. So 5 days is equals to 5 multiplied by 24, which will give you 120 hours. So now you will add your both the hours. Why? Because you have to convert your sum into hours. So total hours will be 5 days is 2 hours means 122 hours. Let us do one last sum. 3 days, 6 hours. So let us convert our days into hours. So one day is equals to 24 hours. So 3 days will be 3 multiplied by 24, which will give you 72 hours. So now you will add your both the hours. 72 hours plus 6 hours, which will give you 78 hours. So total hours will be, so total hours is 3 days, 6 hours is equal to 3 days, 6 hours is equal to how many hours? Total hours is 78 hours. So now we will start the sum based on converting into minutes. Okay. Question. First sum. 6 hours. So we have to convert into minutes. So we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 6 hour is equals to 6 multiplied by 60. That means it is 360 minutes. So your answer will be, so the answer is 360 minutes. Second question, 9 hours. Again, 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So 9 hour will be 90 multiplied by 60. तो क्या होगा वो 54 minutes. तो क्या होगा वो 540 minutes. Third one, 5 hours. So 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. तो 5 hours क्या होगा 5 multiplied by 60 minutes. So it will be 300 minutes. तो क्या आंसर आया हमारा 5 hours is equals to 300 minutes. Okay. So 300 minutes. Fifth, 11.5 hours. मतलब 11 hours 30 minutes. हाफ मिनट्स मतलब क्या होता है हाफ आवर मतलब क्या होता है 30 minutes. So 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So 11 hour is equals to 11 multiplied by 60 is 660 minutes. So हम ये मिनट्स और अपना न्यू मिनट्स क्या करेंगे ऐड करेंगे. So टोटल कितने मिनट्स हुए ओके 690. मतलब 11.5 आवर में कितने मिनट्स होते हैं 690 मिनट्स. Six 5 hours 20 minutes. So 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. तो 5 hours कितने मिनट्स हुए 5 multiplied by 60 which will give you 300 minutes. So again ये मिनट और ये मिनट हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा ऐड करना पड़ेगा. That means 5 hours 20 minutes को अगर हम मिनट्स में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो टोटल मिनट्स कितने हुए 320 मिनट्स. टू hours 30 minutes. पहले आवर्स को हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे मिनट्स में. दैट इज 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So 2 hour is equals to 2 multiplied by 60 which will give you 120 minutes. सो ये मिनट और ये मिनट हम क्या करेंगे, ऐड करेंगे। सो हमारा टोटल मिनट्स कितना हुआ, 2 hours 30 minutes कितना हुआ, 150 minutes. Let us do one last sum. 3 hours 45 minutes. So first convert your hours into minutes. That is 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So 3 hours is equals to 3 multiplied by 60. That is 3 6 are 18 and the 0 as it is. So now first you will add both the minutes. 180 minutes plus 45 minutes. So your total minutes is how much, 225 minutes. So 3 hours 45 minutes को अगर हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे इनटू मिनट्स तो कितना आंसर आएगा अपना, 225 मिनट्स. सो आई होप आज का लेक्चर आपको बहुत अच्छे से समझा होगा. डू लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल एंड थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Pre-Learning. Today we are going to learn about how we should convert our hours or minutes into seconds. So now we will do the sums based on seconds. For example, 7 minutes. So we know that 1 minute is equals to 60 second. Therefore 7 minute is equals to 7 multiplied by 60. That means 420 seconds. So the answer is 7 minutes is equals to how many seconds, 420 seconds. Same way, 20 minutes. We know that 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So 20 minutes is equals to 20 multiplied by 60. So 20 60s are, yes, 1200 seconds. Therefore तो 20 minutes में कितने सेकंड्स होते हैं, 1200 seconds. Third sum. Yes, 4.5 minutes. 4.5 minute means 4 minutes. Half minute means 30 seconds. So first convert your minutes into seconds. That is 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So 4 minutes will be 4 multiplied by 60, which will give you 240 seconds. So now you have to add your this and this seconds. That is 240 seconds plus 30 seconds give you 270. So your answer is Your 4.5 minute means how many seconds? 270 seconds. Fifth sum. 9 minutes 47 seconds. So first convert your minutes into seconds. 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So 9 minute is equals to 9 multiplied by 60, which will give you 450 seconds. So now you will add this and this seconds. So total seconds will be 587 seconds. Therefore your answer is 9 minutes 47 seconds is equals to how many seconds? 587 seconds. So I hope आज का लेक्चर आपको बहुत अच्छे से समझा होगा. Do like, share, subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching. Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Pre-Learning. Today we are going to learn about how to convert hours and minute. For example, अगर क्वेश्चन में 360 minutes दिया हुआ है, so over here how you will solve? We know that in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. So minutes के नीचे हम minutes लिखेंगे. So how much is the hours? Simply you have to divide 60 divided by 360. So 60 6 is what? 360. So what is your answer? 0. So therefore your answer is 360 minutes. If you convert into hours, it says that it has 6 hours and 0 minute. Okay, let us do second sum. For example, 320 minutes. Yes. So over here we know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. 320 minutes. So अगर हम क्रॉस डिवाइड भी करेंगे, क्रॉस डिवीजन, so 1 multiplied by 320 is 320 only. So how you will do? Simply again 360 divided by 320. So 60 5s are 300, which will give you 20 as a remainder. So how you will write your answer? 320 minute is equals to is what? 5 hours 20 minute. Let us solve next sum. For example, 560 minutes. Again, 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So, if they give you 560 minutes, so what is the hour? Simply, you have to divide 60 divided by 560. So, 69s are 540. So, what is your answer? Your remainder is 20. So, how you will answer the question? 560 minute is equals to 9 hours 20 minutes. Fourth sum. 270 minutes. Again, we know that in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. So 270 minutes include how many hours? Again, we have to simply divide 60 divided by 270. Okay? So 60 fours are 240. So how you will write answer? 270 minutes include how many hours and minutes? Yes, 4 hours 30 minutes. Fifth sum. Let us take 422 minutes. So again, in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. So if in question they give you if in question they give you 422 minutes, so what is the hour? Simply divide 60. So 67 is 420. Yes. So how you will write answer? 422 minutes include how many hours? 7 hour 2 minutes. 6. 188 minutes. So over here again 1 hour includes 60 minutes. So if you want to find hours, you have to divide with 60. So 60 threes are 180. So therefore 188 minutes include how many hours and minutes? 3 hours 8 minutes. Seventh one. For example, 70 minutes. So again 1 hour includes 60 minutes. Therefore 70 minutes include how many hours? Yes, divide with 60. So 60 ones are 60. So the remainder is 10. So how you will write your answer? In 70 minutes, there are 1 hour 10 minutes. So I hope आज का लेक्चर आपको बहुत अच्छे से समझा होगा. Do like, share, subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching. Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Pre-Learning. Today we are going to learn about how to convert into minutes and seconds. So let us take one example. Yes, 490 seconds. So we know that in 1 minute there are 60 seconds. So in 490 seconds, how many minutes are there? Simply you have to divide 60. Okay, so 490 divided by 60. So over here 60 8s are 480. Yes, so remainder is 10. So how you will write answer? In 490 seconds, there are 8 minutes and 10 seconds. Let us take second example. Yes, 590 seconds. Again, in 1 minute, there are 60 seconds. So, in 590 seconds, how many minutes are there? Simply you have to divide 590 by 60. So 60 nines are 540. So the answer is yes, 50 is your remainder. So how you will represent? Yes, 590 second includes how many minutes? 9 minutes and 50 seconds. Third example, 366 seconds. Again, we know that in 1 minute there are 60 seconds. So in 366 seconds, how many minutes are there? Simply divide 366 by 60. So 60, 6 are 360. So what is the remainder? 6. So how you will represent your answer? In 366 seconds, there are 6 minutes and 6 seconds. Fourth example, 265 seconds. Yes? Again, in 1 minute, there are 60 seconds. So in 265 seconds, how many minutes are there? Yes? So you have to divide 265 by 60. So 60 fours are 240. So what is your answer? The remainder is 25. So how you will represent your answer? 265 second includes 4 minutes, 25 second. Fifth example. Okay. 150 seconds. Again, in 1 minute, there are 60 seconds. So in 150 seconds, there are how many minutes? Again, you have to divide 150 by 60. So 62s are 120. So how much is your remainder? 30. So how you will represent your answer? 150 second includes 2 minutes, 30 seconds. Let us do one more example. 312 seconds. Again, in 1 minute, there are 60 seconds. Therefore, in 312 seconds, how many minutes are there? Again, divide 312 by 60. So, 60 5s are 300. So, if you divide, your remainder is 12. How you will represent your answer? In 312 seconds, there are 5 minutes and 2 seconds. So I hope आज का लेक्चर आपको बहुत अच्छे से समझा होगा. Do like, share, subscribe my channel and thank you for watching. Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Pre-Learning. Today we are going to learn about how to convert into days and hours. Okay, for example, 218 hours is given. So we know that in one day there are 24 hours. So in 218 hours there are how many days? Simply you have to divide 218 by 24. So 24 nines are 216. So your remainder is what? 2. So how you will represent your answer? In 218 hours there are 9 days, 2 hours. Okay, let us do one more example. Yes, for example, in 126 hours there are how many days? So we know that in one day there are 24 hours. So in 126 hour there are how many days? Again, simply you have to divide 126 by 24. So 24 5s are 120, which will give you remainder 6. Okay, so how you will represent your answer? In 126 hours there are 5 days, 6 hours. Now let us do one more example. 76 hours. So we know that in one day there are 24. In one day there are 24 hours. So in 76 hours there are how many days? Again, simply you have to divide 76 by 24. So 24 3s are 72, which will give you remainder as a 4. So what is the answer? In 76 hours there are 3 days, 4 hours. Fourth example, 170 hours. Again, we know that in one day there are 24 hours. So 170 hours, there are how many days? Divide 170 by 24. So 24 7s are 168, which will give you remainder 2. So what is your final answer? That in 170 hours there are 7 days, 2 hours. Fifth example, 195 hours. Again, we know that in one day there are 24 hours. So in 195 hours there are how many days? Again, you have to divide 195 by 24. So 24 8s are 192, which will give you remainder as 3. So in 195 hours there are 8 days and 3 hours. Let us do one last example, 100 hours. So one day includes 24 hours. So 100 days includes how many? So 100 hours includes how many days? Yes, simply you have to divide 100 by 24. So 24 4s are 96, which will give you remainder as which will give you remainder 4. So therefore 100 hours includes 4 days and 4 hours. So I hope आज का लेक्चर आपको बहुत अच्छे से समझा होगा. Do like, share, subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.